In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Ikea password. Let's start at your computer or phone. Open your web browser and search for Ikea login. This is the quickest way to land on the official site without typing a long address. On the results page, look to the right-hand side or the top results for the official Ikea link that takes you to your account area. Click through to head to your profile and sign in if you're prompted. You'll need to be logged in to make any changes to your account details. Once you're on your profile page, find the section for account or profile details. In there, look for the option labeled Change Password and select it. This opens the password update form. Now enter your new password in the first field. Before you pick one, keep IKEA's requirements in mind so you don't get stuck. Your new password must be between 8 and 20 characters and include at least one lowercase letter, one uppercase letter, one number, and one special character. Special characters are symbols like exclamation points or punctuation. As you type, many sites show a checklist that turns green when each requirement is met, which can be really helpful. A few quick tips as you choose. Aim for something unique that you don't use anywhere else, and avoid easily guessed details like birthdays or simple sequences. A memorable passphrase that mixes words with numbers and a symbol often works well. If your browser or a password manager suggests a strong password, that can be a helpful option too. Just be sure you can save it securely. Next, in the confirm field, retype the exact same new password. This step helps catch typos. If you're worried about mistyping, use the little eye icon if available to briefly reveal what you're entering so both fields match perfectly. When both fields meet the requirements and match, click the button labeled Change. If the button looks disabled, double check that you've included an uppercase and a lowercase letter, at least one number and a special character, and that your password length is within 8 to 20 characters. Also make sure there aren't extra spaces added by mistake. After you click Change, wait for the confirmation on screen. You should see a message that your password has been updated. From here, remember that you'll use this new password the next time you sign in on any IKEA app or device. If you've saved your old password in your browser or a manager, update that entry so your future logins stay smooth, and that's it! You've successfully changed your IKEA password.